If you are a tow truck operator, MVA's Tow Truck Portal can help you stay connected to customers. The Tow Truck Portal allows MVA to reach out to customers on your behalf to give them quicker notice about their impounded vehicle. Signing up is simple. Let's walk you through. Visit us at mva.maryland.gov, navigate to the Businesses tab up top, and select the tow truck icon. On the Tow Truck Portal homepage, click Sign Up to get started. You'll need the vehicle owner's driver's license number and the license plate number on the tow truck. On the sign-up screen, when asked if you already have a PIN, select No and click Next. In order to protect your information, MVA will send a confirmation PIN via the U.S. Postal Service before you can continue with your account creation. The PIN will be sent to the address on file. Please make sure your address is up to date before you begin the transaction. Your PIN should arrive in 3 to 5 business days. We encourage you to sign up now so you don't have to wait when you're ready to use it. Once you've received your PIN, visit the Tow Truck Portal and once again click Sign Up. This time you'll select Yes to indicate that you do have a PIN, then hit Next. You will then complete the process of signing up for the portal. Please pay special attention to location details. This will be the information that MVA will provide to customers on how to reach out to you. After you click Submit and print or save the confirmation page for your records, you can begin to use the Tow Truck Portal. In the Tow Truck Portal account homepage, you'll be able to take action to contact customers and add or update information about your locations. You can also add secondary account users from your team. To ask MVA to alert a customer that their vehicle has been impounded, click Send Towing Email to Customer, and then get started. You'll notice there is a 50-cent charge per email that is sent. Next, you'll choose to search by VIN or license plate. Once you enter the vehicle information, MVA will respond with additional information about the vehicle. If the vehicle's owner has an email address on file with MVA, you will click Next. If there is no email on file, MVA will tell you and you will not be able to click Next or move on with the transaction. You will now be asked to select the location where the customer's vehicle can be retrieved. After clicking Next, you will be able to review the information and make any necessary changes. If you have multiple customers to alert, you can click Add to Cart and add any additional emails to be sent. When you have completed your requests, click Checkout. You'll be taken to a payment screen. After you've completed the payment, you'll be able to print out your receipt of the transaction. Your customers will receive an email from MVA that will look like this. The email will give the customer information on how to contact you. Thank you for taking time out to learn about the Tow Truck Portal.